Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.
Hey you guys, it's Whitney and welcome back to another video. Today I am bringing you guys an after dark clean with me. I know for me and for so many of you, keeping a clean house all day with the kids at home has been a struggle, so I have been doing the majority of my cleaning at nighttime. And what is better than going to bed with a nice clean house to wake up to? So if you're excited for this video, please give it a thumbs up, and we are just gonna get started in the kitchen. It is after dinner time in my house, and this is when I like to start my after dark cleaning routine. So depending on whether or not I cooked that night, I'll typically put dinner away and then I'll do a few dishes and load up the dishwasher so that I can run it.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling.
And then at the end of the day, every single night I like to wash out my sink, and some days I just like to use a little bit of dish soap. Other days I'll throw in some Lysol. It really just depends on what I'm cooking, what all we ate that day, and for this night, just a little bit of dish soap was enough for me.
I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness, let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long, being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness, I got a little crush on you.
So now I'm going to begin to wipe down the counters and put some stuff away. I had a few Easter decorations that I was going to be taking down in this video. I had a bunch of papers out on the countertops because I was trying to go through our bills that we're going to be paying off soon, and there was just kind of stuff everywhere. So I'm going to go through and pick it all up so that way I can go in and wipe down the counters.
I just want to make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness, let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long, being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness, I got a little crush on you. 66 and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wild ones. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wild ones. I got a little crush on you. Ooh, I got a little crush on you.
Once I'm done with that, I love to really disinfect and wipe down my kitchen table. I don't typically wipe it down throughout the day. I know, sue me. So at nighttime, I like to really make sure I'm getting all of the crumbs, and you know how toddlers are, their sticky hands get all over everything, the chairs, the table. So I will completely wipe down the booster seat, the chairs, and the table just to make sure everything is nice and clean.
I look in the mirror, who's looking back at me? I don't know what happened, guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems, I thought we could fix them, but we got tired. There's nothing left to do but to say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever.
And before I finish out my kitchen routine, I like to wait until the kids go to bed to do the rest. I am going to move upstairs into the master bedroom. I am just going to straighten up in here a little bit. I hate going to bed with a messy room. I feel like I don't sleep as well when it's disorganized in here, and I feel a lot more anxious at nighttime. So I always try to take that extra 10 minutes and make sure my bedroom is nice and tidy. So I'm just going to go through and pick up all of the clothes that are on the floor, straighten up the surfaces, and I am going to be making the bed, although I feel like that is really pointless because Tim and I are just gonna hop right back in here once the kids go to bed. But for the sake of the video, I did make it. That way the room looks nice and fresh and clean when I am done.
Both getting out of line. Now say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you. We were holding on to something that we both know couldn't work, so we should try to say goodbye. You know we had our problems, so now we have to try to move on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now.
And then I'm gonna go into our bathroom and straighten this up as well. Again, just knowing in the back of my mind that the bathroom is messy makes it really hard for me to sleep at night. So I am gonna take that extra time and clean off the vanity, wipe it down, and just make sure everything is put back into place. And I'm not going to be cleaning the toilet in here tonight. I try to clean the upstairs toilets every couple of days, and then the downstairs toilet I will clean every single night.
Come a little closer, I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower, I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile, hold your hand in my hand.
Once I'm done in the bathroom, I'm just going to go back into our room and vacuum it. That way the room is complete and it looks nice and clean in here.
What you're doing is making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel
finish off in here, I am going to diffuse some oils. I have lavender and lemon that I'm going to be putting in here just to make the room nice and relaxing and fresh for when Tim and I go to bed.
Want this too? 'Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games, baby. You won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down.
So moving back downstairs, I'm going to quickly clean our half bathroom, and this is something that I really try to make sure that I'm doing every single night, especially with the coronavirus, and I have 2 toddlers. One of them is using this bathroom constantly, and you know how little boys are, mamas. I know you know. So I do like to take the time and wipe down the vanity, clean out the toilet, and it was trash night this night for us, so I did take the trash out of here as well.
Kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling.
And now I'm just going to quickly take a load out of the dryer and put a new load into the washer. I try to typically do a load in the morning and a load at night. It really just depends. This is very versatile for me. Some days I'll do like 5 loads of laundry. Other days I won't do any at all. It really just depends on the day. I do try to do at least a load a day. And so I had washed the kids' clothes earlier in the day, and now I'm going to fold them and put a new load in, and then right before I go to bed I will throw the load into the washer into the dryer, and then I'll wake up and fold it.
I'm supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless 'cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, 'cause I know that you deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go. I've been so selfish and made you believe that you're not good enough, but you're all I need. I take your place.
So now I'm going to begin the rest of the kitchen routine, and this is after the kids go to bed. I feel like it's a lot easier to vacuum and mop and do the stainless steel after they are in bed. That way I know they're not touching everything. So I am going to start by taking out the trash. Again, it was trash night, but the trash was also full, so it needed to get out of there. And then I always clean my trash can every single time I change the trash. So I'll spray a little Lysol in there, put the trash bag in, and then I'll completely clean the outside.
What to do if you go? I just don't know what to do if you go.
And then I don't do this every single night, guys, let's be honest, but I do try to clean the stainless steel every night, if not every other night. Sometimes, let's be honest, it goes 2 or 3 nights, but I do try to do it when I notice that they're looking dirty. And this night in particular, the fridge was looking gross. So I'm going to take the time and wipe down the stainless steel appliances.
I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I
And then I'm just going to quickly vacuum in here, and then that way I can go in and what I like to call spot mop. So I usually will mop underneath of the table where everybody is sitting, around the trash can, around the cat's food and water, and then in between the oven and the sink, depending whether or not I cook that day. I don't do this every single night. I do try to, and then twice a week I will try to steam mop the entire kitchen. That way I know everything is staying nice and clean.
Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Talking about yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met.
So to finish off my after dark cleaning routine, I am just going to move into the living room, and surprisingly, my living room is not that dirty. And it's because I've been really trying to encourage my kids to clean up at the end of the day. I'll have them clean up all of the toys in the living room and then have them go and clean the playroom. Now my kids are little. I have a 3-year-old and a 1-year-old, so you know how that goes. There are times when they're throwing tantrums and whatever, but for the most part, I do try to have my 3-year-old really help me in picking up his toys and making sure that they are being put away. And sometimes he really likes to help me, other times not so much. So again, I'm just going to be straightening up in here and then running the vacuum cleaner. And that is where I'm going to end today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and it gave you some motivation to get some cleaning done. Whether or not you're watching this during the day or at nighttime, I hope that it motivates you to get whatever it is you need done and cleaned in your home. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I will see you all in my next one.
Nobody